Hey guys, welcome back to Outdoor for Sure. Today we're going to get some splitting done using the RuggedMade and hopefully get another chunk of that red oak taken care of and split up. But first, I was doing some work yesterday and let me show you what I did yesterday. So as you guys can see, there is a gate here. So I said before about possibly wanting to put gates in to make it easier to get out back instead of going around that death-defying corner. Which one day, if I keep on going that route, the gator will end up on top of me in the creek most likely. So yesterday, I installed one of the gates. As you guys can see, I'm not a professional in installing gates, but I think I did a pretty good job. So I'm going to take you guys and show you what my plan of action is for the other side. So here you guys can see there's another gate. I have it laid down on the side. But I have this gate which measures 44 inches without all the hardware on it. We have this other gate that separates part of this yard to this yard because we have a pony and goats, so we keep them separated so they don't destroy all the grass all at once. So there's this gate, measures also 44 inches. Here was my little helper yesterday in installing the gate, right?
Yeah.
He also likes to take wood off my wood pile, don't you?
Yeah.
So the gates themselves, they measure 44 inches each, so 88. I plan on using this wooden post right here for the one, and I think I measured it roughly to right here is where I'm gonna put the other wooden post. Now the gator measures right around 5 foot 4-6 inches in width, so if I put the gates like right there, gives me plenty of room to come straight out through here. I would put it right over here more, but the manhole's there and it just would not work out right. So put another post in here and I'll put the gates there. Now, after I do that, my plan of action is digging another hole in and taking a decently wide piece of pipe and putting it down in here. That way I can slide another metal pole in there. That way I can latch the gates to that. Theoretically, in my head, should work. But the reason I'm doing all this is, like I said, this corner right here, I come around here with the gator. Once in a while, I have my nieces and nephews with me. Coming out is not bad. Going back in, it gets very tight and I'm afraid I'm going to take a spill in the creek one day. So before that day gets here, the gates are going to go in. Hopefully I do that with the video. Should have made a video yesterday, but I didn't. So hopefully next time when I do this, I get it on video. But now, let's get splitting. Well guys, there's a quick splitting session for y'all. It rained a little bit, which again, not too upset about. We needed that. But it was fun splitting in the rain, to say the least. A little wet, but hey, it was cool and I'll take it. But I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below and tell me what you guys think about the gates, the other gate idea, and what you guys want to see more of. So I'll let you guys go, and I will see you in the next one.